for the same traffic source and the same offer. Have you ever wondered why some people easily make hundreds and even thousands of dollars a day in commissions while others are struggling to make 10 or 20 bucks?
Has your spider sense tingled before, telling you that you're missing out on a big secret? Well, you should trust your spider sense, because if you're not using this delicious recipe that makes people salivate over your promotion, you are missing out.
We use this spicy strategy on every promotion to dominate leaderboards, win prize money, build our list faster than ever, and rake in $439, $882, and $1,896 in affiliate commissions every day. Hi, I'm Paula Marie, and yes, we have some kangaroos here.
Hi, I'm Nana Brom, and today we're going to reveal this secret. It's pretty badass, yet it's quite simple. It's bonuses! Bonuses make anything irresistible. I know it sounds crazy to give away stuff for free, but that's what the top champions are doing to shower themselves with commissions.
Listen, if you're promoting a product with a 20 bucks price tag, you might be thinking that you can easily land 10 or 20 sales because of the low price point.
However, you've got to remember that other marketers are promoting the same products as you, so that 10 or 20 sales might shrink and shrivel to 1 or 2 or even 0.
Now imagine if you add $200 or even $2,000 worth of bonuses that you give away for free to anyone who buys from you. What do you think would happen? Yep, it will turn the heat up on your campaign and you'll be cooking on gas.
Every time we do this, we knock out our competitors because people flock over our mouth-watering bonuses, and so they would buy from us instead of our competitors. Then, making 20, even 50 sales become a piece of cake.
We want you to see the massive difference bonuses make. So we put 2 sets of test promotions head to head. One without bonuses and another with bonuses. And the results, it was like watching Mike Tyson in his prime beating up some Tanktown Paloka.
Conversions were mega low when we didn't use our bonuses. Commissions were in the order of $20 or $30, and it was terrible overall. When we used bonuses in our promotions, however, we saw a much higher conversions, and sales were in the order of $200 or $300. That's a 10 times increase in profits. Making money is easy when we make it irresistible, and that's what bonuses do. It's the awesome sauce to your barbecue.
I know, you're now wondering, how can you do this? Because you've probably never created anything before, or you don't want to put your face in front of the camera. If you don't have the skills or the knowledge that you can package into bonuses, or maybe you do, you just can't find the time to do it. Well, whatever it is, Hakuna Matata, baby, no worries at all, because we've done it all for you.
Introducing BadAss Bonuses. BadAss Bonuses is a collection of over 80 of our done-for-you bonuses. These are top quality products which include software, courses, tutorials, and copy-paste templates. Together, they are worth over $7,760. You can give them away for free in your affiliate promotions or list building to smoke your competitors and 10 times your results.
Although most people out there think you need a big list and a lot of experience to make 3 and even 4 figures per day as an affiliate and land on leaderboards, that's just not true. These bonuses have multiplied our commissions without fail. They have made us as much as $2,871 in a day. No more working countless hours each day, because with BadAss bonuses, you'll only need a few minutes each day, and that's it.
It doesn't matter if you're a stone cold newbie trying to break into this industry, because here's another golden canon for you. As well as giving them away, you can also study and use any of the products inside of the BadAss bonuses. You can learn about affiliate marketing, generate a flood of traffic, automate your business, build your list, grow your business, become a super affiliate, or even start a whole new business entirely. You're getting multiple push button traffic generating business in a box system. So just copy paste your bonuses into any of these systems and start seeing results. It literally takes us 30 minutes a day.
Are you still not convinced? Well, okay, you have two other alternatives. First, create the bonuses yourself. Even if you have some experience in this, it can be very time consuming because you need a unique bonus with every single affiliate promotion.
The second alternative is to outsource the creation of bonuses. Although this is a better option to save time, it can easily cost you between $200 and $500 or even more just to create one single high-quality bonus. Because here's the thing, this strategy would not work if your bonuses stink.
Offering low quality and bland bonuses will hurt you more than it helps you. That's where most people have this all wrong. They either try to slap something together, quickly hire a super cheap contractor from the $5 site, or they use old, outdated PLR content.
You need quality bonuses, bonuses that are actually valuable and useful. So, you'll need to spend either hours on end or thousands of dollars or even both to create these bonuses.
Why do that when you can uppercut your way to commissions by selecting from over 80 of our high quality done for you bonuses and then give them away for free in exchange for sales through your affiliate link?
We've proven this strategy to work and they allow us to make money on demand. Combining these bonuses with the traffic generating systems that you'll get inside, we only need 30 minutes a day and we can do more of what we love and enjoy in life.
Using bonuses in your business gives you a massive advantage. There is nothing stopping you from doing this badass yet simple strategy like the big dogs out there who are making thousands a day giving away stuff.
There's no tech skills or prior experience required. We've intentionally made it super simple for anyone, even for newbies, to take these bonuses and start using them right away.
And because we love bonuses as much as we love seeing you succeed, we're also throwing in 3 additional fast action bonuses just for you.
First bonus is banking with bonuses. This will show you how to use our bonuses and turn them into money. Bonus number 2 is free traffic mystery bonus. This bonus will show you how to get hundreds of free clicks to your bonuses instantly. Then bonus number 3 is how to get multiple passive income streams fast so you don't leave all of your eggs in one basket.
You can get all of these for free when you grab BadAss bonuses today. And remember, everything inside of the members area is worth $7,760. And today, you can grab them all for the price of a cheap dinner with no monthly fees ever. And with her 30-day money-back guarantee, there is no risk to you.
So now it's crunch time. Click the button below, Grab our best and easiest hack that has multiplied our results by tenfold right now, because the price is increasing every 60 minutes. So if you go away and come back to this page later, you will have to pay more.
Don't throw in the towel before you even get started. Let your inner badass out instead and join us in creating the abundant life that you know you deserve.